Oh, I saw your new KKW beauty launch. Yeah, I couldn't purchase it. You didn't have my shade. Yes, I have a sparkling water. Maybe a bottle of rosé.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. What's poppin'? So about 2 days ago, I saw a video that was done. It was like a really fun concept. And so I was like, why not? I'm going to be recreating Instagram virtual stylist outfits and wearing them in real life and seeing, you know, what the real deal is. So that's what we're doing today. And what's funny is I got this video idea 2 days ago. So yesterday I went to go look for outfit ideas and Instagram was down. I really stand Instagram. Like Instagram and Pinterest are my two main points for inspiration and like content. And so like, what am I supposed to do if Instagram's not working? So yeah, before we really dive into this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe because my face is so beat right now. Like, imagine not subscribing after I beat my face like this for this video. That's really selfish. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. Pretty much the only criteria I wanted to limit myself to when picking between like these virtual stylist outfits is, do I own something? Like, do I own these pieces or at least something close to these clothing pieces? Everything else is fair game. Now, I can say this one I would have put together myself. I did a haul recently and I showed you guys where I got these two clothing items. And I've been thinking since I like literally put them in my cart that these two would probably look good together. So, you know, that must say a lot about like my creative ability. In this picture, there are these little white glasses. I have those glasses, but in black, so it's gonna have to work. A clear book bag and like snakeskin booties. I've been trying to convince myself to get these snakeskin booties, but honestly, every time I go to purchase them or every time I put them in a cart or pick them up in store, I put them back down because I'm like, I know for a fact I ain't gonna wear these. So yeah, this look I'm gonna give like an 8 out of 10. Actually, I'm gonna give this look a 7 out of 10. I don't like the fact that the glasses are white in the virtual styling. I think that they should have been black because it's like the pants are already black. Let's just keep everything meshing. I think that the snakeskin with the neon green and then like the big pants is like clashing too much. And I don't like the clear book bag as an accessory. But the base of the outfit, the top and the bottoms look bomb together. I feel like the baddest bee on the block in this outfit. What I really like about this outfit, honestly, is that I feel really nice and really put together and it's not too revealing. I'm 100% like here for the girls that just, you know, want to wear what they want to have their body out, because I feel like that sometimes. But then other times I feel like this. I want to feel really put together and really sleek and really covered up, but like it's still really cute. I'm really here for this look right now. It has come to my attention that you all can't really see the shoe. I feel like it's like New York Fashion Week and like I just got finished hanging out with Kendall, but I had to run because I promised my BFF who lives in New York now that we were gonna do brunch today. Yes, I have a sparkling water, maybe a bottle of rosé once my food arrives. Thank you. Yes. And I'm not tipping. I'm like, who do I think I am right now? I feel like so, I'm probably gonna wear this. I have to say, I probably wouldn't have originally worn this with these booties, but now I'm not gonna wear this outfit without the boots. Like, come on. You have to do it with the boots. You have to. It's literally hard for me to move on to the next outfit because I don't want to take this off. I feel so cool. Do you know where I'm going tonight? I'm going to my Thursday night church service and I'm genuinely considering wearing this. Ridiculous. Oh, Kim, darling, how are you? Oh my, hi Kim, how are you today? Yes, I saw your new KKW beauty launch. Yeah, I couldn't purchase it. You didn't have my shade. All right, outfit number 2. We are working with a gray bodysuit, the same style pants, and some white chunky sneakers with like some black detailing. They're Balenciagas. I don't own those. So I have on my Concord 11s. black and white Jordans, which is more me anyway. But with this outfit, I wanted to show you guys how like a lot of time with outfits and fashion or whatever, the devil is in the details, because this is like a very basic outfit. It's not a bad outfit, it's just like super basic. But once you add the two accessories, and in this case it would be the same little black sunglasses and a small black purse. This one is from Coach. It's really old, like at this point it's probably vintage. But yeah, a little black bag and some sunglasses, and like all of a sudden I'm a businesswoman. Like all of a sudden I'm like model off duty. And before the accessories, it was like really plain Jane. Yeah, to me this outfit was really important to have in here because this is like more my style too, like neutral colors, muted, you know, colors, gray, neutral tones, blacks, like an outfit that's really laid back but a lot of accessories. Like me, I like to wear a lot of jewelry. Usually on a daily basis I have 4 rings on, 4 Alex and Ani bracelets, a watch, a necklace, and some earrings. Like that's just my thing. I love jewelry. Everyone in my life always gives me jewelry because they know I stan jewelry. So yeah, jewelry is the easy way to make literally anything you're wearing pop. Even if it's already a loud outfit, or even if it's something like this, it's just like really chill. You put on some jewelry and like grab the right accessories and you literally look like New York Fashion Week. So boom. This is another outfit that calls for these little black sunnies, and like honestly we stand. Like these little black sunnies are so cute. They're so versatile. They go with so many outfits. When I went on vacation, I literally wore them every day. So yeah. But this is just a regular black crop top from Forever 21, some H&M denim jeans, and the same, can y'all see that? Oopsie. The same black boots and the same glasses and bag. This is also pretty much my style because like I said, I like to do neutral colors, blacks, and just accessorize. So this is really cute, and this is like more of like an everyday, regular, like wearable outfit. Like I don't look too New York Fashion Week. I look like a regular person. Like I could go to the mall in this and not be stared at, but people would still be like, her outfit's cute. You know what I mean? So yeah, outfits like these are important because on Instagram, people make you believe that they're walking around in these revealing Fashion Nova outfits all the time, or like they're always wearing these super bright neon colors. And granted, some people are, but most of the time people in the real world that put on cute outfits to go do regular people things are dressed like this. And that's why outfits like these are important, because like this is like a regular people outfit. Like me just regular peopling, you know. These boots that every outfit keeps calling for are actually from Forever 21. They were like $19.99 or like $24.99. I know that they were definitely less than like $25, and I really love them. I really love these boots. I don't give them enough credit and I don't wear them enough. This feels like I have errands to run today and we might go out to dinner tonight. You know, this feels like that kind of outfit. Like just really cute, sleek, but still a normal person. You know what I mean? And that's really my speed. Now don't get me wrong, I am one of those people that will put on that bright green neon shirt and those super like, you know, like trendy pants and go to the mall in, because like I just straight up don't care. Like people are gonna talk about you, stare at you, say whatever they want anyway. So I'm always like, wear what you want, don't wear a bra. Like it's your life. People, if somebody don't like you, they don't like you. But still, a lot of days this is more my speed. All right, last outfit, and it's safe to say that like little dark sunglasses, the color black, and little black bags and purses are like really in, because everyone's styling with them. This fit calls for a black hoodie. I don't have one that's as exciting as the one in the picture, because that has like some words on it and mine is just plain black. But black hoodie, some black like biker shorts, white sneakers, and then like rounder glasses and a little black bag. Not a fanny pack, because I hate fanny packs. We should have left fanny packs like in freaking 2018. I'm like, Honestly, I'm pissed that fanny packs are still a thing. I'm really mad about it and I don't want to talk about it. I think they're ugly. Yes, even the Gucci ones. The black sneakers I opted for because, again, don't have these, are the Adidas Original. I have the Stan Smith Adidas. And what's really fun about this video is I'm like using so many clothes I forgot I even owned. Like, forgot I had these sunglasses, forgot I had these shoes, don't wear those boots often, like, so kind of forgot I had them. Like, this is an A+ video. This is so my style that I literally wore this outfit before when I was on vacation. I like wore this when I was on a cruise, just walking around the boat. And I thought it was so funny because I didn't even notice until I had put it on. I was like, I've worn this. These bottoms, this hoodie, and this bag, and black glasses. Like, no joke. I've worn this before. So I feel really comfortable in it. This is perfect if it's like summer or spring, but it's a little breezy. And I don't know about you guys. I'm always getting like my arms are always getting cold. My legs are usually chilling. But if it's like a breezy spring or summer day, my arms are always cold. So I always have to have a sweater, a cardigan, a jacket, something. So wearing like a hoodie with some shorts is really my speed. And like the spandex biker shorts always make your body look good. Exhibit A. So yeah, this one is like the simplest of the outfits, I think, but it's still really put together, like really chill and really fun. So I really like that. So yeah. All right, so that brings us to the conclusion of this video. I had a lot of fun doing this. I suggest you guys try this at home. You know, find some virtual stylist outfits on Pinterest, Instagram, whatever, and like see if you have items like that and put them on. It's like playing dress up. It's really fun, and you find clothes that you forget that you owned. You also can like discover that you're really into a style that you haven't tried before. So yeah, this gave me a bunch of outfit inspiration and it was really fun to do. Like, sometimes that's just so fun. Like, if you're a clothes lover like me, or like a fashion lover, sometimes just being in your closet and like trying on outfits, seeing what works together, things you never would have put together without inspiration, like, that's just so fun. I don't know, I'm weird like that. I just think that's really fun. Like, this is like playtime for me, even though my beauty room looks a mess right now. Oh my goodness, y'all have no idea. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like and a comment down below. I shouldn't even have to say subscribe because like I know you're subscribed by now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Muchas besitos.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All of a sudden